Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a persuasive speech on why you should be working out. Let's get straight into it. So a little background, I actually just started working out a couple months ago, and I've been going to the gym for about 6 months, and let me just say it is actually very life-changing. So let's get right into it. So for there are people who do not like going to the gym to work out for other reasons or another. People do enjoy working out from home. Yeah, it's your own house, so you don't really have to worry about, going to have to pay for membership or anything like that, because those can get expensive. No one can stare at you. I have noticed sometimes when I go to the gym, people do stare, but, you do get used to it, and, just keep going with what your own grind is. You can make your meals as soon as you are done with your workout, and, it avoids that little hassle of having to get back to make your own food, basically all that. And there's no limit to when you want to work out. Any time is the right time, because with the gym, you have to wait for it. You have to see if it's going to close or not, if it's going to be okay to go, might be closed that day, so it's all good for you. Now, why you should go to the gym is that it can feel very rewarding. I myself used to be a very skinny guy, and then I started putting in the work, and I was starting to notice I was gaining muscle like crazy, and I was like, well, this is something I could make part of my regular daily habit. For others, people do like to go to lose weight. It's just people get that engagement when you go to the gym. It's that idea that you're going to be losing some weight, gaining some progress, all that fun stuff. And then you can use it to stay in shape. Like me, I'm currently building muscles, and I'm trying to work on my frame a little bit, trying to become bigger. And it also sparks good habits. So you'll start changing your habits up, you'll become more healthier, and you'll be able to just, flow with your workout and become as fit as you would like. The community at the gym is very friendly. The environment, there are lots of people there, they're there to help you. They want to see you improve. Like, for example, there's a guy at the gym I go to now who, when I'm doing new exercises, he tries to point out ways I could do it better. He wants to see me improve personally, and so he can see me become more fit in the right way, not doing it the wrong way. Staff at the gym is also very friendly. They're there to also help you improve. They're there to make sure that your experience is one of the better experiences at any gym, so that way they're not losing a customer, basically. And lastly, here we have your personal goals. So you can obtain the results you want, like whether you want to lose weight, whether you want to gain muscle, stay in shape, get fit, all that fun stuff. You can also make your own schedule, which is probably the best thing ever, because I go 4 days a week, but some people prefer 7 days a week, or 3, 2, 5. It doesn't really matter. You get to make your own desired time you wish to go to the gym. And it also promotes healthy growth for your body. You're not going to be going to the gym, I would say, isn't going to make you fat. I would say it would help stimulate and regulate certain functions of the body that, otherwise would be getting clogged, like your stomach and stuff like that, your core, all that fun stuff. And thank you for watching.